Man, I really love my limited capabilities on a small confined CNC machine.
Sure he does. Just like you love a small, dry steak. Dump the box, let's get in bed. And not just any bed, you weirdos. The FlexCNC long bed goes up to 80 feet. Do you want to party in a limo or a toaster? Because last I checked, you're not a bagel. See this welded monoblock steel frame? Unlike my last relationship, it's rigid and stable. Sorry, Tammy, it was you, not me. Oh! Are you afraid of a moving gantry? Well, pull up your Pampers, princess, because this safety laser scanner right here makes sure that if this beast tries to come up and cheap shot me from my 6, thinks twice about squaring up.
What? But I enjoy only running one part at a time.
With the FlexCNC pendulum mode, you can run multiple parts in one setup and have your operator busier than on the Really? When it comes to capabilities, the FlexCNC, it's like a Swiss Army knife, but American. Milling, drilling, tapping, thermal drilling. For more information, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com and start thinking outside the box.